Dweeb with Bigfoot Crane. Today I'm talking to you from Harrison Hot Springs, British Columbia. Liebherr 81K to fit into this extremely tight tolerance at this construction project. In fact, we were within 1 foot of the wall on the crane radius, which is exactly the allowance, the minimum allowance set by construction law. We've just pulled a Liebherr 81K crane out of the tiny little notch in this building. We were able to provide a crane for this project that no one else could, and that allowed this builder to excel in their project work. And when you see the kind of projects Bigfoot's able to accommodate with its equipment like this Liebherr 81K, you'll clearly understand the difference between those who say it can't be done and those who did it.